me better when I wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Now listen, don't cuss me out. I did not film today's video and the demo of how this product I'm about to talk about works because I didn't intend on filming this video. I was actually filming something else, but I tried the product for the first time and I said, wait a minute, I need to come tell y'all about it. So that's what I'm gonna do. So if you guys still want to know more, let's go. Okay, so like I said, this morning I was in the drugstore, because I'm a makeup girly. I walked down the makeup aisle, I saw some new things, and I said, wait a minute, that looks cute. And really a lot of times that's all it takes for me to try the product out. So I get home and, like I said, filming something else, I start putting the product on my face and I'm like, wait a minute, this is blending out kind of nice. Now, face is done. This looks kind of nice. Hold on. And it's a drugstore product. Y'all know I'm not the biggest concealer girly. Literally just started liking concealer a couple years ago. When I tell you, this might be one of the best concealers I've ever put on. Depending on how this wears, this might be one of the best concealers that I've ever put on. And I feel like it's going to wear how I think it's going to wear. So let me go ahead and tell you guys. So this is from NYX. It is their Wonder Snatch Concealer. This is in the shade 21. Literally took a guess. Ooh, almost. When the saliva goes down the wrong tube, then you almost choke? Literally took a guess on the color. That is what it looks like. Used it on my T-zone area. Let's see. This retails for $9. This retails for $9 and you get 0.1 ounce. It comes in 30 shades, I think 30 shades. Like I said, I picked it up in shade 21. Let's see what it says about it. Snatch it like a facelift look. NYX Professional Makeup Wonder Snatch Concealer. Matte this is matte? Okay, threw me off. Matte full coverage finish concealer, up to 24-hour wear and hydration in 23 shades. So what did I just count? Maybe the numbers aren't exactly 1 through 30. That's why I'm like 23 shades. Let's see details. Concealer that snatches like a facelift look. Wonder Snatch Concealer brightens, hydrates, covers, and sculpts to serve face. Pigments blend seamlessly to snatch it all with a one-stroke wonder. Energizing skin boosting effect. Elevate your daily routine with a full face of wonder. This formula lets you build all the way up to full coverage. Waterproof, fade, and transfer resistant, and lets you serve up to 24-hour wear, 24-hour hydration. The matte word is throwing me off, y'all, because when I tell you, like, I never would have guessed that this is supposed to be a matte concealer. One of the things I really liked about it is that I felt like I thought it was not really a cream concealer, but it had like a satiny velvet type of feel to it. The way it blended out beautifully. The finish, no, I felt like it was kind of like a natural finish, at least to me. I don't know, y'all tell me. Y'all look on my face. Do I look matte? I guess I do. I don't know. Now that a little worried because you guys know I have drier under eyes and it's not gonna be that long of a wear test because it's already the middle of the day. But I will do a wear test to see how it wears. However, it went on beautifully, finishes beautifully. I have high hopes for this. Please don't dry on my under eyes. Please. I do have powder on, I baked and all that, and I still never felt like, at least it doesn't feel, matte on my face. It's not already drying out my under eye or something like that. So we're gonna give it a little minute, test this out, but I will be back and I have very high hopes for this concealer. See you soon. Oh, it is currently 1:53. I put this makeup on around 12:30. So let's just say 12:30. That's good enough. This is my makeup 5 hours later. Listen, I know we've talked about this before. The heat, TT cannot do this heat, okay? Every day, pick up the phone, heat advisory, temperature's gonna feel like 110 degrees. What are we doing? However, makeup is surviving. Makeup is surviving during these times, so I guess there is a bright side. I would say in a couple hours, my cheeks are probably gonna start looking crazy. usually I sweat above my eyebrows, and so far so good. But when I tell you like AC is not cutting it, I mean AC is not cutting it. However, this concealer, again, threw me off when it said that it was a matte concealer because I don't feel dryness on my under eye, and I didn't really feel like it looked and felt like it was a matte concealer. However, hours later, on my under eye area, still matte. To me, it was giving very like natural finish concealer. I think the biggest thing is, listen, I told y'all, if there's a crease there, if there's a fold, it's gonna crease. However, 5 hours in, I feel like there's not much product in my under eye area there, and that's really the big difference when it comes to me for concealer, because I know it's going to crease regardless because there's a crease there. It's how long it takes the concealer to crease and like how much of it is in the crease. And this one, I feel like there wasn't much, if at all. The other one, we're starting to get there, y'all. When I tell you, wait a minute, NYX, and it's only $9. Like, you can get a brightening shade, you can get a conceal shade. I didn't really pay attention to the full line, and the store didn't have the full line, but if they have any where, you know, the undertones could give it a color correcting type shade, you can get 3 of them, and it's still less than some full price concealers where it's just one concealer. I'm talking the ones that are obviously over $27. NYX. It blended really nice. Like, I was surprised to see that it's supposed to be a matte concealer. I like this. I'm definitely gonna keep playing around with this, definitely. And also the color, I didn't check what the undertone was supposed to be, literally just eyeballed it in the store, but the color was also very flattering. So okay, NYX. But also, like, y'all know NYX, they don't, this wig looks crazy, but y'all literally just watch me throw it back on, literally toss it in the air, put it back on. Y'all know NYX, when it comes to complexion products, like, they don't actually, when they come to complexion products, when they come to lip products, what else, that the body products, I don't know, we might try to give it another round, but baby, NYX, absolutely. All right, y'all, so that is it for this video. I hope seeing me test this out has helped. If any of you were thinking of checking it out for yourself, if you have tried it, let me know how you like it in the comments down below. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.